Hi, today we are going to install Docker. So what we need to do actually, we need to check the system. So first of all, log into the server. Okay, I'm logged in, so then sudo apt update and check is it working correctly. I mean, is there any update? And you can see there is no update, all packages are up to date. So then we need to install some packages that are required for us. So we need apt transport, https, TR certificates, TURL, GNU-PG, and LSP release. So we are going to install it just like that. Lovely, it's installed. Now we are installing actually keyrings. Then we are going to create a docker.gpg file and downloading content to this file, and we will cut this like that. Okay, just give me a second. That sudo cut. You can see the content of the file. Does not matter. And at the end, we need to change permissions to the GPG file. So that's the way how we did it. And now we need to use the following command to set up the stable Docker repository. We are doing this. Go. And then if you will cut the content, you can see there is a entry. And now we need to update the content, the repository. So the apt update the repository. You can see it's downloading the Docker in release and stable. Lovely. And at the end, what we need to do, it's good to do this. To install all the packages that are required for us. That is interesting. You can see activating, and there is a problem that subprocess dpkg returned an error code. The question is why. We need to find out. You can see. Okay, we'll check this. Sudo apt get install or apt. One more time. I can try to apt instead of apt get. See. Okay, now that was the problem, and we can see the sudo system dl status docker service, and we will see it's up and running. But to be sure that everything is working as expected, restart docker service, and that is okay. And what we need to do, then we need to run the sudo docker, just run the docker run and hello world, like that, and you can see it's running, appears to be working correctly. However, if you would like to run docker containers as a non-root users without prepending sudo, you have to add your user to the docker group. So it will be just sudo user mode ag docker and Adrian, or that's my username, or instead you can use this $user like that, and ID Adrian. You can see it's working. So log out, login back, Okay, one more time. I'm back, and now if I will run the Docker without the sudo, it will work. So everything is working as expected. Okay, that's all for now. So thank you very much. Have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.